it is time to make a cut. Got a piece of 3/4 inch plywood, which is honestly a waste of 3/4 inch plywood, but it'll be okay. Got my saw, got my square. Get this out of the way. Oh, that's it. It doesn't actually have it here. Those back ones are so freaking fired. I can't believe you would do that to me. Alright, we're gonna start with this one. And like, this is the thing, guys, that rail is so grippy. It's actually very nice. So I've actually got this fully supported on the wood to make my first cut. And I'm actually just going to set this on a scoring cut. This scoring cut is just a few millimeters. And now we're going to put it on the track. And oh, I'm so excited. Feel excitement. And I'm just cutting the strip. I'm not going to cut all the way into the plywood. That is so smooth.
Oh my gosh, it kicks up a lot of dust.
It does kick up a lot of dust. Okay, so a couple things. You cannot run off your track. I'm used to doing that with my other track saw. That's bad. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to cut this. It looks like I'm going to set it at 21 millimeters to come through all the way. So this is the factory edge right here, and then that is the cut edge. That is, can't even focus on it, it's so sharp. But that is a great cut. That's the off cut. That is a good looking cut. Alright, now we're going to try our square and see how it does on this piece of plywood. And this is just scrap that isn't going to really be for anything. We're going to slide on our square. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a measuring thing. Alright, so I'm going to square it up, and then I'm going to make 4 cuts around to see if I end up with a square board. Okay, so I just made a square cut off this one side. I think this is the side that went through my table saw. And now I'm going to come back and make a long cut. Like that. And I don't actually have room to make the full cut with my 55-inch track. So I'm just going to go until I'm almost out of track. Like that. So I'm squared up. Just come up with an idea for my shop vac dust collector. Like roll it around and just have it in front of wherever we go. Alright, now I need to make one more cut, and this should be a square, but I don't know how my center section is going to throw that off. There. There. And you can see that my line is actually, I would say, about a 1/4 inch there, and only about an 1/8 inch here. So that should be squaring me up. My redneck dust collection hose that's long enough to actually use for now. I'm going to get a real dust extractor and a real dust collection setup going as a work in progress. But now I want to measure the diagonals of this to see kind of how it worked out. Now I don't know what this is going to do here, but it seems to be supported enough where it's not a problem. So let's hook our tape on. At there. I am at 53 and 15/16. And now I'm going to come over here, do the same thing. And that is awesome. I am at 53 and 15/16. If I'm 100% honest, I am a hair over. But I might not be aligned right. Yeah. If I'm completely honest, I am about a 64th over on a square. Using just that, making my first go, learning how to use the tool. That's pretty cool. So this is the Insta Rail-Square. I got it from ToolNut. And I have to say, this is a worthwhile investment for your track saw.
I have some bonus content for you here at the end. Your match fit dovetail clamps from Microjig, they are actually sized perfectly to fit in the tracks for the Makita or Festool clamps. So if you've already have these dovetail clamps, they slide right in and they work great. So my third video in this series is going to be a full feature overview of the saw itself that will dive into every single switch, lever, button, screw that is on the saw and what it does. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate it if you like this video, shared it with another, and always subscribe to our channel and ring that bell. We will see you next week with the third video in the Makita Track Saw full tutorial. Thanks, guys.